On 6th of May 2026, a report was received in police station Kathua through reliable sources stating that two brothers, namely Nakul Singh and Nikhil Singh, each of the age of 18 years and 16 years respectively, sons of late Balbir Singh and resident of ward number 10 Kathua, had allegedly been attacked with an intention to kill and were lying in a pool of blood at their residence in critical condition. Upon receipt of the information, FIR number 230/2026 was registered at police station Kathua under section 103, 109, 333, 115 subclause 2 of BNS, and investigation was started. On reaching the spot, the crime scene was secured and legal formalities were initiated. During inspection of the scene of crime, it was found that the iPhone belonging to deceased Nakul Singh was missing. FSL was called and relevant material evidence was seized and e-Sakshi proceedings were conducted as per law. During further course of investigation, several suspects were rounded up and questioned in detail. The ESU team of District Police Kathua did the CDR and technical analysis, which gave us an initial lead. Thereafter, during the sustained interrogation, suspect Parth Verma, alias Sumit, son of Somraj, resident of ward number 9 Kathua, admitted his involvement in the commission of crime. The missing iPhone of deceased Nakul Singh was also recovered on his disclosure in front of a magistrate, and FSL team was again called, which proceeded further as far as the forensics is concerned. On 6th of May 26 at around 10:40 am, he visited the house of Nakul Singh and made a phone call to Mohit, alias Bobby, from Nakul Singh's phone at about 11:35 am, and at approximately 12:40 pm, an argument and physical scuffle reportedly broke out between Nakul Singh and Parth Verma over love interest involving a girl, which soon turned into a verbal and heated exchange and altercation, in which Parth Verma allegedly picked up a cricket bat lying in the room and struck Nakul Singh on the head, causing him to collapse. Meanwhile, Nikhil Singh, younger brother of Nakul Singh, returned home and entered the house. Fearing that he would be caught, the accused allegedly attacked Nikhil Singh multiple times on the head with the same cricket bat, causing him to fall unconscious. After committing the crime, the accused allegedly left the cricket bat at the scene, took away Nakul Singh's phone and fled away from the spot. This cricket bat was later on seized when our team reached the crime scene. At around 5 pm, the victim's mother, Jyoti Devi, returned home from office and discovered her sons lying in a pool of blood. Upon her cries for help, neighbors gathered at the scene and informed the police, after which the entire investigation in the case got initiated. Thank you.
वर्मा जो है, जब ये उसने अटैक किया, उसके बाद ये कहाँ भागा?
ये अपने ही इधर उधर में था, बट हमारे पास क्योंकि उसके फोन नंबर्स थे और हम उसकी CDR और लोकेशन ले रहे थे, तो वो कठुआ में ही था, उसने कठुआ जिला नहीं छोड़ा था।
मैं जब इनका स्कफल हो रहा था, क्या इन्होंने किसी तरीके का कोई ड्रग्स वगैरह कुछ लिया था, उसका कोई सेवन ये कुछ करते थे?
देखिए, अभी ये चीज के बारे में मेडिकल रिपोर्ट जब आएगी तो तभी हम बता पाएंगे।
पार्थ वर्मा की उम्र, क्या कुछ पहले भी कोई ऐसी हिस्ट्री है या फिर ये फर्स्ट टाइम ही कुछ इस क्राइम में?
ये जो है, ये जनरली कुछ छोटी मोटी स्नैचिंग या चोरी के अंदर ये इनका पूरा ग्रुप एक छोटी मोटी चोरियों में कभी इनका नाम आता था. दे वर समटाइम्स राउंडेड अप बाय द पुलिस एज वेल. बट पार्थ वर्मा जो है वो 19 साल का लड़का है जो कि ये छोटी मोटी चोरियां करता था.